Hello. It is the 1st of November, and I'll try to stay consistent again and starting fresh, hopefully when in the middle at the end of the month. Okay. So today's problem is linked list problem, and linked lists are not the most enjoyable topic you would want to practice, but we are doing it anyway. So the problem is pretty simple. We are basically given an array of numbers, and we are required to remove any node that has a value exists in this array. Okay, so here we got 1 2 3, and this is the given linked list. We should remove 1 and 2 and 3 and just return 4 and 5. Here we should remove all ones, returning 2 2 and 2. That's it. So the first thing that might come to your mind is this is an array, and we want to check if a value exists in this array. So it makes sense to switch it or convert it to a set to have an of one retrieval time complexity. So convert the nums to a set to have an of one time complexity. Okay, so exists would be a set of nums. After that, we would have a dummy pointer that points to the head of the linked list. It's a common practice in doing linked list problems. So I would have current, which would be a dummy node, and the next would point to the head. Okay, and basically we would return the current.next. So let me just create an answer and return the answer of next. Okay. After that, we are going to maintain the current pointer at each node and check the next of this node, and then check if the value exists in the nums, and if so, we remove it. Okay. So just bear with me. We will have a while loop of current, while current, and current with next. So currently, the current is a dummy node, and the next is the head. Okay, so the head is pointing to the first node, so we would check if the current.next of value n exists, and if so, we should remove this node, and we would remove it by doing just make the next of the current point to the next of the next. Okay, so just like that. And if not, we just move the current one step further. So basically this moves it 2 steps, and here we would move it just 1 step. Current just current equals current at next. Okay, and yeah, I think this should do it. Yeah, just like that. It just needs some visualizations and the ability to imagine the iteration through the linked list. So as I said, the current is just a dummy node, points to the first node, and here is the whole logic. We check if the next of the current should be removed. We just remove it. So let's say the current that next to this one, we would make the next of it points to the 3, and basically we skip the 2, and the garbage collector would handle the memory issues. Okay, so thank you for watching, and happy November.